Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates, kumusta po kayong lahat? Andito naman po yung lingkod Reso Tarot Channel para bigyan po kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful tarot reading dito lamang po sa inyo lagi napagan. Sinusubaybayan at pinakamahal na Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa mga panig ng mundo na laging nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala at suporta. Sige po, ang ating pong reading ngayon ay alamin natin na yung kapalaran sa buwan ng February 2026, mga pinakamahal kong soulmates na Virgo. Alamin natin ano bang mga ganap, ano bang inyong dapat asahan sa darating na buwan ng February. Okay, this is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus at takes what resonates only. Kapag hindi kayo naka-resonate, hanapin niyo po ang inyong energy sa ibang videos or ibang reading natin. Sige, ulitin ko. This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Sige. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I am praying and I am hoping that you are in a good condition. You are safe, you are healthy, and of course, you are happy at this moment. Sige, huwag na nating patagalin pa. Isang shuffle pa para because I know that you are so excited, Virgo, para malaman kung ano mga ganap ang kapalaran sa buwan ng February. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, give us 10 cards para sa ating reading for February 2026. Sa mga Virgo, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Ayun. Meron na pong isa. Champa, Spirit Universe. Ayun. Ang bilis. Sige po. Sa mga bago po sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po or naka-resonate po kayo sa ating reading, wag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-comment at like and share. Of course, i-subscribe niyo po para mas lalong lumago ating channel at mas marami tayong matulungan at ma-reach ang ating mga videos ng mga audience. Sige? Meron na tayong 5 baraha. Last 5 cards for you, Virgo. 4 cards please. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Last 4 cards for Virgo, reading for February 2026. Ito, di nahagip pero ayan. Okay, last 3 cards please. Angels, Ancestors. Ang dami nun. Ibalik po natin. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Sa mga magtatanong dyan, magtaka sa mga bago, bakit parang ang gulo ko mag-shuffle? Don't worry about the shuffling. Dito po tayo nakakakuha ng mga magagandang barahan na nakaka-resonate ang karamihan. Last 2 cards for you, Virgo, for the month of February. Sige. Your 10 cards are now complete. Huwag na nating patagalin pa. Kasi I know that you're so excited. Let's begin. Ano bang meron sa buwan ng February? Oh, look at that. As expected, Virgo, comes February 2026, expect mo na medyo maging bagaan na ang takbo ng buhay mo. Okay, it's not totally na parang, what is this, na parang biglang buhos, but you can feel it. Unti-unti mong mararamdaman or you will feel a little bit na parang may ease na or parang may kaluwagan na. Unlike this past months, January, December, November, na parang sobrang bigat ng mga nararamdaman mo. You don't understand where it is coming from. Hindi mo alam kung ano bang pinagmumulan nito or ano bang dahilan nito. Everything, it seems that there's an overwhelming energy or pressure na naranasan mo. It seems that you really actually are at the edge of giving up already, but I am telling you with this Ace of Cups, there's a new horizon, there's a very beautiful chapter that's waiting for you. Come February, expect na medyo magiging magaan na ang flow ng lahat para sa iyo, finances, career-wise, love life, everything, because this Ace of Cups represents a new beginning at the same time. What is this? Contentment and confidence. Okay? What a very beautiful opening card for you, Virgo. Pangalawa, oh, look at that. Maybe there are some of you, Virgo, na may inaantay ng malaking milestone or big achievement. You are waiting maybe for a result of something big. You are assured that it will be granted. There is a celebration. There are some of you na magse-celebrate sa buwan ng February. There are some of you, Virgo, na ikakasal, or there are some of you that there will be new offering in terms of love life. May makikilala ko yung bagong love of your life. I can see here a very blooming love life after all those kumbaga hiatus, after how many years that you've been very busy, self-centered, nakafocus ka muna sa career mo or sa ano man, but this time you will be opening your hearts, your life to a romantic relationship. Okay, I can see here also a celebration in terms of milestone na ma-receive. There are some of you na mapopromote. There are some visas that will be approved. Promotion wise, maglilipat ng bahay. And at the same time, I can see a celebration in terms of anong nakikita ko ng energy dito is it's more on something social or parang it's like hindi lang maaring magse-celebrate ka kasi may mga family members din or you have a friend or people that is very close to your heart na parang makaka-achieve ng something big. That's why comes February, I this is what you're going to this big celebration. Pangatlo mong baraha, Virgo, look at this. February will be I am telling you, February will be, kumbaga, ito yung magiging kickstart or parang magiging preview. Kung sa book, bago mo babasa ang buong kwento, parang mababasa mo muna yung prelude or kung ano bang tungkol sa dito. So, February will be the kickstart o parang kung sa pelikula, ito yung magiging teaser ng magiging what your life will unfold throughout the year 2026. Okay, so this Knight of Pentacles represents joy, happiness, confidence, abundance, prosperity. Look at that. Okay, matapos kang manggaling sa isang laban, battle, November, October last year. So after all the pressures, here you are, uuwi kang matagumpay, you are holding a pentacle. So pentacle, we know, pentacle is money, and look at the bar, very bright yellow colors, the color of joy, happiness. So, comes February talaga, makikita mo, unti-unti mong mako-connect, ma-realize na, okay, oh, it really makes sense, okay? Na kung bakit nangyari ang lahat. And you will be overwhelmed kasi di mo lubos akalain na ma-overcome mo ang lahat ng obstacles and hardships na pinagdaanan mo nitong mga nakaraang linggo, nakaraang buwan. But February will be a very good start, okay? Di pa kung tutusin, dapat January, but February mo makikita, okay? Makikita yung bunga ng lahat and there will be a lot of realizations, okay? Uh, we have 10 of Swords here. There are some of you Virgo na maaring overwhelmed pa rin. I'm telling you, February of course, I can see some Virgo na meron pa rin mga bagay na dapat isettle. Okay, you are not accepted about it. Siguro, sabi ko nga, although there's a celebration, but still, hindi mo naman kasi mauubos talaga lahat na this comes January matapos ang lahat. So, there will still be some obligations na dapat tapusin. May mga reports, there are some a little bit of pressure pa rin na ibabato sa yung universe, but still you can overcome it. Okay, so here you just need to do it slowly with calm mind because baka ma-drain yung energy mo. So this 10 of Swords also pinapakita nito that you have a lot of things running on your mind. Ang dami mong iniisip, ang dami mong mga bagay na bumabagabag sa isipan mo. That's why sometimes maybe your sleep pattern is not already in good condition, but Virgo it's not new or hindi na bago to sa'yo kasi ang mga Virgo ay is like deep thinker, mabilis mag-isip ng malalim lalo kapag may mga bagay-bagay na dapat solusyonan, but all in all, sabi ko nga, kahit anong ibato niya sa Virgo, kahit saan nyo sila itapon, talagang babangon yan and they will overcome and they will be achieving something great out of that. Kumbaga, they will be making, if you throw them oranges, they will make orange juice out of it. Parang ganon. Okay? So, panglima, Virgo, what to expect on February. So, page of wands, here you are. Sabi ko nga, there will be clarity with everything. Magkakaroon ng kaliwanagan. Maybe this past months, nagkaroon ng mga confusions, misunderstandings sa mga tao. Merong mga hindi masyadong napag-usapan ng maayos. That's why nagkaroon ng miscommunication. But here you are. Magiging malinaw ang lahat. Pag-uusapan ng maayos. There will be a reconnection. And at the same time, clarity sa mga goals mo, sa mga plans mo. Siguro this lately, parang you really wanted to give up. It seems na parang you're asking yourself kung is it still worth it? But I am telling you, Virgo, February comes, ayan, nakikita mo na may mga unti-unti ng dahon na tumutubo sa wands mo. And look at the three pyramids, that was your goals, that was your achievements, and dyan yung nais mong puntahan or yan ang nais mong kamit. Ano yan telling you, Virgo? And this 2026 will be very, very good year for you. So February you will be expecting na unti-unti mo nang makikita ang clarity at the same time kung saan ba talaga patungo yung buhay mo this 2026. Okay? That was your first row, first 5 cards. Let's continue sa second row. Okay, again, maraming salamat po ha. Hindi po ako magsasawang pasalamat sa inyo because kung wala pa kayo, ay wala po ang success ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Let's continue. Mag-comment po kayo kapag naka-resonate kayo, okay? Yung pang-anim mong barahan, look at that. Nine of Cups. So you're sitting like a boss, manager. Okay, you're like a king. Here you are. Virgos, no questions about it. Skills-wise, talent-wise, nasa iyo lang lahat. So, attitude-wise, nasa iyo. So, although you are being misunderstood, oftentimes, kadalasan ng oras ay misunderstood ka or hindi ka naintindihan, but you know what's inside your heart and you really know who you are. But here, this Nine of Cups rather, ay pinapakita nito that comes February, talagang, kumbaga, may this will be a full showcase. Parang kung isa kang painter, 'di ba? Parang magkakaroon ng display or what is this? Um, show, ipapakita mo lahat ng crafts mo, yung mga pinta mo. So, comes February, Virgo, masya-showcase lahat ng galing mo, lahat ng mga talent mo. Maybe this will be the start of something big for you. Here you are, tingnan mo, pang hawak mo ng Virgo. So, there are some of you na meron pa dyan tago pa ang talent. You need to have the confidence, ilabas nyo yan. But, comes February with this Nine of Cups, I can see her discovery. So, transformation, fame, makikilala. So, that will be start na makikilala ang pangalan mo, magbubo. So, sabi ko nga, merong mangyayaring showcase o parang i-display or makikilala talaga yung craft mo kung ano man yung skills na meron ka. So, because sabi ko nga, Virgos are very talented, very intelligent people. Pampito? Okay. Comes February, Virgo, I know there's a lot of Virgos na nag-cut off ngayon ng daming kinat off or binurn na bridges, family members, friends. At the same time, parang nasa hermit mode kayo. Parang hindi mo na kayo lumalabas, hindi mo na kayo nagpapakita, hindi mo na pinapaalam sa public anong nangyayari sa buhay mo. But comes February, even though you're doing that thing na parang hindi na alam na lahat, that there's still some. Mag-ingat pa rin kayo sa mga taong nakakasalamuhan nyo or pinagkakatiwala nyo, especially mga information. Okay? Be careful, be cautious sa mga bibitawang salita. At the same time, baka mamaya it will trigger ng mas malaking problema. So, hanggat kayang maging mahinahon at hanggat kayang, hindi naman pwedeng hindi mo pakisamahan, but still you need to be extra careful with that kind of person. Even though how many years na magkakilala kayo, naka-feeling mo kasama mo, but kasi tao lang tayo, we are not perfect. Baka mamaya isa yan sa tulad nitong Seven of Cups na magta-traitor or magbibitray sa'yo or palihim na may inggit or nais kang pabagsakin, Virgo. Comes February, I'm very confident na alam mo yan o makikilala mo because you're very observant, napakalakas ng intuition mo at hindi nag-fail ang kutob mo. Okay, makikilala mo yan. Death card, comes ending and new beginning. Okay? This is not a negative card, but this is a very beautiful card. Death, magkatapat sila ng Knight of Pentacles. Sinabi ko nga, matatapos na ang lahat ng mga hardships, yung pressure. Kumbaga, after how many months and days na pinakuluan kasi isang pressure cooker, malambot ka na. So here comes the Death card represents new beginning. February, sabi ko, ulitin ko, di ba? Sabi ko, ito yung magiging teaser. Dito malalaman, dito na ilalahad ni Universe ano bang plano niya sa'yo. Dito na magiging malinaw ang lahat, kung ano ba talaga ang pipiliin mo, ano bang tututukan mo, ano bang career ang gusto mo, sino ba ang taong pakikisamahan mo, or everything. So, mangyayari this February. Malalaman ito with this Death card. There will be a lot of endings, cut-offs of connections, and you don't need to, huwag ka nang maghulat dito, Virgo, because, alam mo yan na everything is being planned by universe for something bigger. May mas malaking kapalit or may mas malaking inahanda para sa iyo. Okay? So, 9 card. Again, kapag naka-resonate kayo ha, don't forget to comment, like, and share. Of course, subscribe na rin po para mas lalong lumago ang ating channel. 9 card. Oh, ito na naman. Oh. So, meron talagang, look at that, may nakamasid talaga, may nag-stock sa'yo. Pero talagang mga taong gitera na wala ka namang Actually, nananahimik ka na, nagtatago ka na, pero bakit parang intriga pa rin sila sa buhay mo? Okay, Virgo? So, February, actually not only February, but throughout your life, talagang prone kayo sa ganyan, di ba? Tapos, magkatapat sila nitong Ten of Swords. So, what does it mean? um, kung magpapaapekto ka, so maaring maapektuhan ng energy mo, ma-drain ka, mag-iisip ka, at the same time, maapektuhan yung mental health mo. So, sinasabi ko na sa'yo na you don't need to mind these people. Ayan, may nag-i-stalk sa'yo, may nagmamasid sa'yo. Actually, itong tao, hindi siya directly na parang pumupunta sa bahay or inaalam, inad ka. Actually, hindi mo nga to friend siguro sa social media, but nalalaman niya lang siguro may inuutusan siya, may tinatanong siyang tao na malapit sa'yo na nakakaalam ng whereabouts mo. That's why sinabi ko nga, you need to be careful sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Kasi baka mamaya hindi mo alam piyesta na pala ang pangalan mo. Okay? So, here, look at this. But this February, I know, ulitin ko, sabi ko, malalaman mo lang, makikilala mo yan. But the best revenge is no revenge at all or hindi ka dapat pumatol. Okay? Because you're already a karmic person, alam mo yan, kahit hindi ka mag-revenge or kumbaga pag may ginawa sa'yo kahit hindi ka na gumante, okay, the universe will be doing its job para ipaghiganti ka and they will receive their karma, okay? Because Virgo is a karmic sign. You carry karma in yourself, okay? Tapusin natin Virgo, 10th and last card. Alam mo, nasisilip ko na yan. No? You know what? Sinabi ko sa inyo, kung merong Virgo na nanonood ngayon at you're really at the edge of giving up, you feel so heavy, napakabigat ng nararamdaman mo ngayon, you really don't understand kung saan patungo ang buhay mo. But I am telling you, tapusin natin sa ruleta ng kapalaran, Wheel of Fortune. I am telling you, come February, Virgo, magiging maliwanag ang lahat. May tagumpay, may abundance, may prosperity na parating sa'yo. And you deserve this because after all that you've been through, okay, there's no question about it. Because you're talented, you're gifted, you're hardworking, and you're very kind person. That's why tinapos ni Universe ang ating reading with this Wheel of Fortune card. It means that you are on the right track, you are on the path of recovery, at the same time prosperity and abundance. And I'm so happy and congratulating you, Virgo, in advance. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsama sa isang napakagandang reading. I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Virgo ang makapadad to ngayon. And kapag nagustuhan yung ating video or ating reading, mag-comment kayo, like and share. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. Maraming salamat ulit. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagsasama, mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.